This is Cara Brandon, and today I'm going to do a week 1 of our gratefulness month. I don't know if that's really how I phrase it, but anyway, I wanted to kind of show you week 1 and how it's been going. This week started off a little bit crazy. My friend found out that her brother has COVID, and that kind of put me in a little funk. So I didn't do it daily. I kind of had to have a catch-up day. But anyway, hopefully week 2 will be better. All right, so day 1, I have this envelope or this baggie that is like an envelope, and this is where I'm going to store my prompts. And so I'll have those aside so I can kind of remember what they were. 5 people that you are grateful for. So, so I did a little slider so that when it works, it goes like this. So then I have my 5 people in a little slider thing. I thought that was kind of fun for day 1. And then I wrote my favorite, what was it? Grateful, the 5 people I'm grateful for on that page. And then I just decorated this one. And then I put one of the quotes from the printout here. I think for this next week, now that I've been using the quotes, I want to make them smaller so that they fit better on the page. So that's to come. Stay tuned for that. All right, so day 2, a skill that I'm grateful for. So I wrote about my skill that I'm grateful for. And then I put another quote, and I just did a little decorating. And here's day 3. I cut out one of the quotes here, and then I put one of the pockets from Song of Autumn, and then the 5 things that I'm grateful for on here. And then I added just a little lace and a button. And then for day 4, I used the quote as a belly band, and then on one of the pieces of ephemera, I wrote, what was this, day 4? One thing I'm grateful about my home, we just did a lot of remodeling on our home, so now that we've all been home together, it's really nice that it feels really, really good. So that's kind of what I wrote about. Day 5, I have a little flip. This is another piece of ephemera from Song of Autumn that I added some, coffee dyed paper to, and then some washi just so that there's a flip here. And then didn't really decorate this side. Day 6, I did a lot of writing. Oh, skills that it should have been one person, but I wrote about my son, my daughter, and my husband and their skills that I admire. And then this one's political. If you don't want to be political, turn away. But yesterday, it was announced that, as we know, that Biden and Harris are president and vice president-elect. So I wrote about that, and then I put some pictures here, and then some words with some of my different, thickers that I have. And then this picture has just been speaking to me. I just really like it, so I printed that and put that in my book. So that is days 1 through 7. Stay tuned. Tomorrow I will have a look ahead for the next week, and I will also have some new quotes to share. And yeah, how are you doing with your first week of your gratefulness journal? Is it going well? Was it a tough start like I kind of had? Comment below and let me know how you're doing. All right, have a wonderfully grateful day, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.